Hello, welcome to Apsana classes. Today in this video, let's know about the Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown. Before knowing the Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown, we have to know the breakdown mechanisms. What is the breakdown mechanism? It is nothing but whenever you apply the reverse bias to a PN diode, then if you go on increasing the reverse voltages, then the this depletion region will eliminates and the currents will flow. So this is about the breakdown mechanisms. What is the breakdown mechanisms? When you increase the reverse voltages at certain point, after reaching a certain voltage, there will be the sharp increases of the current. This is about breakdown mechanisms. Then what are the Zener and avalanche breakdowns? Depending upon the doping concentrations. Depending upon the doping concentrations, we have two type of diodes, Zener and avalanche. Avalanche diode is nothing but a normal PN diode. But what is a Zener? Zener diode is nothing but heavily doped PN diode. So for heavily doped PN diode, the depletion region means junction region will be narrow, means very small. For heavily doped, if we dope very heavily the PN diode, then the junction will be, this junction thicknesses will be very narrow, very small. So if we apply a small current also, due to the having high intensity, electric intensity, then the breakdown will occur. So as heavily doped, it has narrow band, it has high field intensity in this junction. So having high field intensity due to heavily doped, so at nearly 2 into 10 power 7 volt per meter, breakdown will be occurred. So here ionizations. What is the ionizations? Breaking the bonds in these junctions and making as electrons and holes pairs is nothing but ionizations. So here the ionizations, which is nothing but the elimination of these junctions is by electric field. Isn't it having the high field intensity, giving 2 into 10 power 7 volt per meter, the junction will be eliminated. So you can note that here ionization is by electric field. Electric field, this notation should be mentioned importantly. Okay, next coming to avalanche breakdown. So reverse saturation currents by majority charge carriers are initially flowing in the avalanche breakdown. What is the reverse saturation currents? Irrespective of the voltage, a small current is flowing in the PN diode. If the small current is flowing in the PN diode, that is called as saturation current. Irrespective of the voltage, if the currents flow, then it is called as saturation current, and the current is by minority charge carriers. So reverse saturation current by minority charge carriers. So these minority charge carriers have high velocity, very high velocity. Having high velocity, see, if you see here PN diode, minority charge cases. These are the minority charge cases having in the bonds some of the atoms are in the bond form. So having these charge carriers having very high velocities, they just collide with they go and hit these bonds, and by hitting these bonds will be break out. So after breaking out, the electron hole pairs will be formed. So here you can notice that it has high velocity. These magnetic charge carriers have high velocity. They have high sorry high sorry yaar. The pen is not at all writing. They have high velocity. So as having high velocity, they just go and hit these bonds, and the ions which are in the bond formations will break down, and this ionization is by collisions. Here ionization is by collision. So this is about Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown. Sorry for inconvention. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.